Welcome to my channel English with Raj Thakur. Today we have got some students from Tekenya World School. They have come here for English speaking practice. I am going to ask them few questions that are often asked in day-to-day life. Now let's start today's video. What is your name? What is your father's name?
My father's name is Abhishek.
Can you tell us what does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Archana Sahan.
And what does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker.
What do you want to become in your life?
I want to become doctor in my life.
What is your strength?
My strength is my confidence.
Yes, you seem very confident today. How many members are there in your family?
There are 40 members in my family.
When do you get up in the morning?
I get up 7 o'clock in the morning.
Very good, Arnavi. Sit down. Next, yes, you stand up. What is your name?
My name is Lakshmi Kumari.
Lakshmi Kumari. Lakshmi, what is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Bablu Mandal.
What does he do?
My father is a businessman.
Lakshmi, what is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Sita Devi.
Mrs. Sita Devi. And what does your mother do?
My mother is a teacher.
Oh, she is the daughter of a teacher. Lakshmi, how many members are there in your family?
There are 6 members in my family.
6 members in my family, okay? What is your school name?
My school name is Tekenya World School.
Tekenya World School. In which class do you read?
I read in class 3.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 1 sibling.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are singing and dancing.
What is your strength?
My strength is my confidence.
Yes, we all can see your confident. You are very confidently answering the question. Okay, sit down. Yes, you. What is your name?
My name is Nandan Kumari.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Raju Sir.
What does he do?
My father is a businessman.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Mamta Devi.
What does she do?
My mother is a homemaker.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 8 members in my family.
When do you get up in the morning?
I get up 6 o'clock in the morning.
She gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Very good. Students should get up early. And when do you go to school?
I go to school 8 o'clock in the morning.
8 o'clock in the morning. What are your hobby?
My hobbies is dancing and crying.
If you have more than one hobby, that you can say my hobbies are singing and dancing. Okay, don't use is. Okay, sit. Yes, you. What is your name?
My name is Muskan Kumari.
Muskan. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Raju Sir.
What is your school name?
My school name is Tekenya World School.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
What do you want to become in your life?
I want to become a teacher in my life.
Oh, she wants to become a teacher. And how many members are there in your family?
There are 8 members in my family.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are singing and dancing.
Oh, singing and dancing. Your friend also likes doing singing and dancing. And tell me, what is your school name?
My school name is Tekenya World School.
Where it is situated?
I
Where is your school situated? Your school.
My school situated in Simrai Bazaar.
Yes, your school is situated in Simrai Bazaar. Thank you. Next, there are 2 boys. First, I will ask with him. Okay, stand up. What is your name?
My name is Naved Noor.
Naved Noor. What is your father's name, Naved?
My father's name is Afroz Alam.
Rose Alam. What does he do?
My father is a businessman.
What do you want to become in your life?
I want to become a soldier in my life.
A soldier. Very good. And what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing cricket and reading book.
Playing cricket and reading book. What is your school name?
My school name is Tekenia World School.
How many siblings do you have?
I have no siblings.
Hey, don't you have sibling? Okay. Next question is for you. What is your strength?
My strength is my confidence.
Good. When do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. Yes, you. What is your name?
My name is Satyam.
Satyam. What does your father do, Satyam?
My father is a farmer.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 5 members in my family.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are drawing.
My hobby is drawing. Okay. When do you get up in the morning?
I get up in 6 o'clock in the morning.
I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Okay, you all are allowed to make mistake. Okay, you can make mistake because we learn from our mistake. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Yes, you. What is your name?
My name is Ayush Kumar.
Ayush Kumar. Ayush Kumar, where do you live?
I live at Simrai.
Yes, Simrai Bazar. And what is your father name?
My father name is Mr. Radheshyam sir.
When do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 6 o'clock in morning.
Okay, sit down. You may sit. What is your name?
My name is Randeep Kumar.
Randeep Kumar. What is your father name?
My father name is Mr. Dilip Kumar.
Dilip Kumar, son of Dilip Kumar. What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Mrs. Jyoti Kumari.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 10 members in your family. In my family.
Okay. Don't say your family. And when do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Very good. And what are your hobbies?
My hobby is football.
My hobby is playing football. Okay.
Playing football, yes.
Yeah, I like playing football. And when do you go to school? When do you go to school?
I get up to
Don't say I get up. I go to school.
I get up
I go
to
to
school 7 o'clock
at 7
in
o'clock.
the morning.
Okay, sit down. Yes, you. Stand up.
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Abhinav Kumar.
Abhinav. Where do you live, Abhinav?
I live at Simrai Bazar.
What is your school name?
My school name is Tekniya World School.
In which class do you study?
I read class 3.
Class 3. What are your hobbies?
My hobby is dancing.
My hobby is dancing. Okay, very good. And what do you want to become in your life?
I want to become in Indian Army in my life.
An Indian Army. Very good. Where is your school situated?
My school is situated on the Simrahi Bazar.
Don't say on the. My school is situated in Simrai Bazar. Okay. And how old are you?
I am 8 years old.
8 years old. Okay, sit down. What is your name?
My name is Nishant Kumar.
Nishant, what is your father name?
My father name is Mr. Dilip Yadav.
Dilip Yadav. Where do you live?
I live at Tintolia.
Okay, can you tell us what does your father do?
My father is a farmer.
Farmer. And what is your mother name?
My mother name is Sanju Dev.
What does she do?
My mother is a homemaker.
Homemaker means housewife. Okay. And what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing cricket and playing kabaddi.
Oh. He likes playing kabaddi and playing cricket. Okay. How many members are there in your family?
There are 8 members in my family.
Do you have siblings? How many siblings do you have?
I have 1 sibling.
Oh, he has only 1 sibling. Okay, you may sit. Stand up. What is your name?
My name is Raj Thakur.
What is your father's name?
My name is Raj Thakur. My
What?
father name is Raj Thakur.
Okay. No need to speak fastly, okay? You can make mistake as I said earlier. Don't be afraid of making mistake. What does your father do?
My father is a farmer.
Okay, say loudly. Okay. In which class do you study?
10 class is.
Say loud. You. What is your name?
My name is Krishna Kumar Kamat.
Okay, Krishna. What is your father name, Krishna?
My father name is Mr. Umesh Kamat.
What does he do?
My father is foreman.
Where do you live?
I live at Ulas.
Ulas. What is your school name?
My school name is Technia World School.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is playing kabaddi.
What do you want to become in your life?
I want to become a soldier in my life.
When do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, when do you go to school?
I go to school 8 o'clock in the morning.
What is your strength?
My strength is my confidence.
Yes, you are very confident today. And can you tell me how many siblings do you have?
I have 2 siblings.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. The students answered really well. They seemed very confident today, and they are able to answer the questions that are often asked in day-to-day life.